Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to run a disk check in Windows using command prompts. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do as you can go and solve problems you're having with a drive. First of all, you need to go and open up your File Explorer. I'll go and do that now and tap on this PC. Left, what you need to do is decide on the drive you want to do this with. For example, if you're into your Windows drive, you'll notice that one is I have the Windows icon. What you need to do is, once you know the drive is, you need to note down the drive letter. That's super key, so the Windows drive for me is C:. Now what we need to do is go and open Command Prompt. Click on Search at the bottom and type it in, and you can go right and click on Run as Administrator. That's super important. Here we are. Now what you need to do is go and type in CHKDSK, that stands for check disk. Then what you need to do is go and type in the drive letter. So yours could be the Windows drive or it could be a different one. I'm going to do this drive here, which is D:, put in a space and then put in /F like so. Then you can go and press enter. Going to go and run through it. As you can see, is really quick as it is quite small. It will go and scan the file system and it will see if there's any problems. In this case it didn't find any, so it's that simple. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.